Okay, so the first step in getting our new eccentricity gauge up and running is to put some power onto the induction tube driver, which is this box here. It's got a little logo here, so this cable goes out to the induction tube, which is this component here. Now, the cable that you're going to measure is going to go through the induction coil. It's marked, so this is the line direction, so your wire's coming this way towards the gauge. That is connected back to the induction tube driver. The induction tube driver also has to be connected to the gauge head itself. Or you can match up the logo on here with the logo on here, and you have a 4-pin female connector, 4-pin male cable. So that will go in. That's connected. So now we have the 3 pieces, the driver, the tube and the gauge connected, and we now also need to put power to the gauge. Lock and unlock. So it's a push fit connector, so it's important to line that up correctly. There, now we push and lock. And that's it, locked in there for me. So we've got the power on the gauge. We have your iBus green light here. This can be set to either Profinet, Profibus, Industrial Protocol, Ethernet IP. We have an RS232, 485 or 422 connection. Both of these 9-pin connectors. We have a CAN bus connection. This can be used to connect to a CDi4 display unit. We have one mounted in the gauge, but if you want to have a separate one, it can be connected there. And then we have a 25-pin interface, which can take a line speed input, digital inputs, relay outputs. We have an air wipe, so you can put clean instrument grade air in here, and that goes up towards the lenses in the gauge and provides an air wipe. There's usually a little bit of water carryover from production line, so rather than that sitting in here inside the gauge, there's actually a drain tube that comes out here that can drain. And then here we have our Wi-Fi antenna just above our product model and serial number badge. So that's a quick video on how to get the power to the new eccentricity gauge EG Series, and next week or in the next video we'll show you how to connect up the eccentricity gauge to a PC, PLC, etc.